Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel drive, steel wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.